Keto Chicken Parmesan Recipe. Chicken Parmesan is a beloved Italian dish known for its crispy coating, savory marinara sauce, and melted cheese topping. Adapting it to a keto diet requires some creativity, particularly in replacing the traditional breadcrumb coating with a low-carb alternative. Ingredients: 1. 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. 2. 1 cup almond flour. 3. ½ cup grated Parmesan cheese. 4. 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning. 5. Salt and pepper to taste. 6. 2 large eggs. 7. ½ cup olive oil for frying. 8. 1 cup low-carb marinara sauce. 9. 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. 10. Fresh basil for garnish, optional. Instructions: 1. Prepare chicken breasts. Begin by pounding the chicken breasts to an even thickness. This helps them cook evenly and makes them tender. Season both sides with salt and pepper. 2. Create the coating. In a shallow bowl, mix almond flour, grated Parmesan cheese, and Italian seasoning. In another bowl, beat the eggs. 3. Coat the chicken. Dip each chicken breast first into the beaten eggs, ensuring it's fully coated. Then dredge it in the almond flour mixture, pressing the coating onto the chicken to make sure it sticks. 4. Fry the chicken. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once hot, add the chicken breasts. Cook each side for about 4 to 5 minutes or until golden brown and cook through. 5. Add toppings. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Place the fried chicken breasts in a baking dish. Spoon a generous amount of low-carb marinara sauce over each breast, followed by a sprinkle of mozzarella cheese. 6. Bake the chicken parmesan. Bake in the preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. For a slightly brown top, you can broil for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, but watch carefully to prevent burning. 7. Garnish and serve. Once done, let the chicken rest for a few minutes. Garnish with fresh basil leaves if desired. Serve hot as a standalone dish or with a side of keto-friendly vegetables or zucchini noodles. Nutritional benefits: low in carbohydrates. By using almond flour instead of breadcrumbs, this recipe significantly reduces the carb content, making it suitable for a ketogenic diet. High in protein. Chicken is an excellent source of lean protein, crucial for muscle maintenance and overall health. Healthy fats. The use of almond flour and olive oil adds healthy fats to the dish, aligning with the keto diet's fat requirements. Customization tips: cheese variations. Experiment with different types of cheese, like provolone or Asiago, for a different flavor profile. Add heat. For those who enjoy a bit of spice, adding red pepper flakes to the marinara sauce can add a pleasant kick. Herb infusion. Consider incorporating fresh herbs like oregano or parsley into the almond flour coating for added freshness and flavor. It's a testament to the versatility of ketogenic cooking, proving that with a few smart swaps, you can recreate traditional favorites without sacrificing taste or dietary preferences.